Finally, a status report. Sorry it took me so long, but I've been so busy I had to do so many things. I'll show you how far I've come until now. I have a problem with the graphics driver, still. I've read some things, I'm going to try a custom EDID. I just backuped everything so that if anything goes wrong I can reset it and start again very quickly. I put it in Dutch for now, I can change it back to French when I send it back. I also have a problem with the main drive. I solved it by putting the bootloader on the other drive. I'll explain and demonstrate. I've still got it in verbose boot mode because I'm still working on it. When that's finished I'll turn it off, and then you have the Apple logo when this stuff is coming by. So I just took out the graphics driver so you get a screen. Now the next task is to put them back and get rid of the black screen. At least you can use OS X. For Wi-Fi you would need a different adapter because you have Intel and that won't work in OS X. You need Atheros. Or you can use a solution like this for Wi-Fi. This is supported in macOS. See, that's the graphics problem. But at least you can log in. I've read HDMI should work standard, but most users still have a black screen until they custom inject the EDID. I've got some mouse lag in Yosemite. I don't have that in LCAP. I also installed LCAP. Also I need to do sound, Ethernet, and check the camera. Sleep. Basically everything is on the Western Digital drive, also the bootloader, but the bootloader won't boot. I don't really understand what's happening. For some reason that hard disk blocks if you boot from that drive. If I boot from USB, I've also put Clover on a USB. For your PC, I'm looking for that USB stick. Here it is. If I boot from this, also I don't see the Western Digital drive. If I boot from this drive, it's everything is shown. So maybe it's better to put another SSD in this one so you can use the other drive for other stuff and you won't be depending on this drive, because now it only works if you have both drives connected. See, exactly the same problem. So, I'm gonna show you one more thing, the problem. But I think you can solve this by just switching the drives, but I don't want to open up the entire laptop because the other drive is somewhere inside there and I have to take it apart. I just solved I just cloned everything now without opening it up. Why is it not restarting? Restart. Oh no, shut down, I said. Shut down. Shut down. maybe it needs some help. There it goes. Off. So I'm gonna take out this drive. As I said, the entire system is installed on the other drive, so it's disconnected. So now the first part of Clover will work, which is Duet. I think the drive is not disconnected yet. Now it is.